Hi friends, I am Dr. Vinod from the rooftop of Amrit Mother and Child Hospital. Today morning, when I opened my daily newspaper, Dainik Bhaskar, there is no harm in naming the daily newspaper in Hindi. I saw, besides other news, one frustrating news of a nursing home from Patna who was sealed or supposed to be sealed because of the high amount of bill for a COVID patient. Actually, this becomes really demotivating for the doctors who run their hospitals or nursing homes. It should be the duty of government and to some extent the representatives of the medical doctors like IMA top leaders. There should be a press conference. The hospital management should be called in for press conference. What was the reality regarding the huge bill? Was it justified? How many days the patient had been hospitalized in hospital? How come all the charges become that much? Everything should be clarified and there should be transparency, and each doctor and the public should know what exactly was the matter, because many things are just hidden and something come up in the newspaper demoralizing doctors and hospitals staff. I am not supporting anybody or any doctor or any hospital terrorizing by putting heavy bills to the patient, but I really want to know the facts behind the news. What was exactly the matter? How justified the bill was? Or if it was justified, then why only half of the truth was published in paper? Why medical profession is defamed to that extent? Was it the responsibility of media to write in such a way, humiliating way? And if it was not justified, then the hospital management, the IMA top leaders should go deep into the matter, and a letter from the IMA should be sent to the media and to the administration clarifying the whole issues. And we just want to know the facts and truths, because media persons and administrative officers, they just write something, maybe half of the truth, and that defames the whole profession, and we really are not comfortable with that. Whenever we admit a serious patient in our hospital, despite all the facilities and competency of ours, and the government has given the license to practice. As for my example, I have done my PMCH pediatrics, which is supposed to be the top medical institute of Bihar, and I am practicing in Bihar. So if I am not competent and if I am not trained properly, then it's not my fault, rather it's fault of the system and the whole medical education of Bihar. When I got my MD in one attempt from PMCH, and if I am not supposed to be competent enough, which though I am, then it is not my fault, rather it is fault of the institute, the whole education system of medical science. And if we are competent and if we are doing the right thing, then why should we be anxious while admitting a serious patient? Whenever we admit a serious patient, we are really very anxious and mentally disturbed and frustrated that if something bad happens to the patient, which may occur obviously sometimes, then there will be a breakdown of infrastructure of the hospitals, beating of the doctors and paramedical staffs without considering anything, any justification or any rules and regulations made by the government. The rules are made only in paper. They are not really valid for practical reasons. We are always afraid of the attendants, the rowdies who can come and manhandle us, disturb our infrastructure, and so many factors are there, and the media persons will come with the half truth and concocted story of their own, defaming the whole medical profession. So this thing must be taken into consideration by the IMA as well as the administration, and the truth should be told to the general public, and the only attitude and intention to defame the whole medical profession should be stopped strictly and immediately. Otherwise it's very difficult to work with free mind and skill in this hopeless situation, at least in Bihar.